Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the mood of any videos using color adjustments, filters, etc. So for instance, in the video it's very shiny, not shiny, like sunny, that's what I meant, and like warm, and I want to turn it into something a little bit cooler. So I'm going to select the video and I'm going to go to adjustments here. Here on temps, I'm just going to slide it to the left to give it that a little bit of cooler vibe, and I'm going to put the hue to the left as well. Also going to turn down the saturation a bit, and I'm going to turn down the brightness. I'm also going to add wrong one. I'm going to add a little bit of shadows as well, and I'm going to add in some sharpen and some clarity. I'm also going to go to the HSL thing, and I'm going to go to the blue one, and I'm going to add in a little bit more of that blue tone to the video. Also adding this one as well. And you can also go to curves and go to the blue section here and kind of add that there. And as you can see, it's a little bit cooler, but yeah, that's pretty much it. You can add in filters if you'd like to even make it like maybe more cooler. But that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the links button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!